You searched how to buy shares of Micron Technology, Inc., and this quick guide will show the step-by-step process. Micron is a U.S. semiconductor company that makes memory and storage products, listed on NASDAQ as MU, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To purchase MU, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After you sign up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search field and type MU or Micron Technology to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the Micron Technology, Inc. equity that trades on NASDAQ. On the Micron stock page, you will see a brief company profile, a price chart, and recent trading data. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and ticker MU to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order depending on settings, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. After execution, your Micron position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.